Welcome to Stampin' Up! With aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday series. I am your host, Jacqueline Scheel. Today I'm going to show you a technique on how you can make glitter paper or a glitter border using double-sided tear and tape from Stampin' Up! And the Good Morning Mountain Mist glitter from Sparkle and Sprinkle. I'm also just using a regular coffee filter and a paper plate. Take a regular piece of paper and tear off the desired amount of tape. You can use one strip or multiple strips in a row, depending on the desired look. Simply tear off the tape. And this is better than using glue because glue stays sticky sometimes even after the sprinkle is taken off, and also the sprinkles go on unevenly. Oops. But with the manufacturer's tape, the amount of adhesive is equally distributed, so it will capture the sprinkles just right. And I put on a lot because I want to make sure I have full coverage. You should only have to do this once. You shouldn't have to do it more than once. And there you have your little sprinkly borders. Now, if you have a lot of tape, you have a giant tape gun or something to that effect, and you want to make this whole piece of paper a glitter paper, you can do that too. And to make your border, you just cut, and you can glue it or adhere it to your project. Since I usually do this as a finishing touch to my cards, I don't want to do it directly on my card in case I make a mistake. I prefer to create a look of glitter paper and then adhere that. You can do this in any shape or size. And voila, there you have your glitter border. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page, my blog, and my Stampin' Up! Store site. Also, check out my Etsy store where I sell retired and discontinued Stampin' Up! Products, as well as the exclusive list of current products that Stampin' Up! Allows demonstrators to sell. Thank you for joining me in my Stampin' Up! With aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday. Happy crafting!